Bawumia a very foolish man. NDC John Mahama, I swear to God. Mama Bawumia kwasi ampenyi weni MPP akromfo wo wiamono. Mama mu room in Ghana to fool like this. You people within a year, John Mahama, you were out of power. We are telling you people. These people are not even supposed to be talking in Ghana. And just a day, and they declare election, so they are blaming you for their stupid thing.
After the elections, then him said they were a called Juno and Dean because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the first person or no one by our say or surrender or the Nicodian in form because a battle no ako June one rainy. It's in him say after weighing in an assumed banan so copium, won't Kobe to set tepa. Any tamale side ho dia any some of parts of Ghana still na basabasa koso gidigidi pa nim atkode potia enipa no bi hihye nti a koso sam eno enam so ema presidential candidate edema MPP no Dr Mahmoud Bawumia on say vice president sia abekasa with the press release bi aba what say or call it on John Mahama president elect say calling NDC supporters to order. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in a press release by our say President-elect John Mahama any NDC supporters en kasa said the basabasa anyway to engineer Sisiano Etubechano. Kevin Taylor say no die on peneda. A ban is saying and our cancer or say still now the was all calling BB to order. His Excellency Nanado Danko Ekufado, and yet dear or the be amane Dr. Bawumia.
Mahmoud Bawumia with Jimmy and Pau. Na Bawumia with Jimmy Anna. Mr. P. I just saw the statement. I just saw the first statement from Bawumia. Bawumia is a very foolish man. Now, it's a long statement too. In fact, let me read everything. Bawumia a very foolish man. Bawumia a very, very foolish man. Now, Mahama ne keep peace or Ghana, I say Kufuor ne keep peace or Ghana. Jimmy, say this for a problem. Why not also or stop us our problem? No, and yet Ghana Police Service. Oh Jimmy, anyone aware the head of Police Council? Jimmy, why are you not telling the IGP to make sure security now Ghana? But we Jimmy pa. Oh, I don't want to catch him. I call with Jimmy. Ya can be beba. Let me read the statement. No. Oh, some catch him so we Jimmy. On shoulder on nim yansebia. Now let me read the Bawumia statement now. This is Bawumia statement. Now in the Ghana, when I shall say kwasiato enshamunsa, when I hand it over Mahama, nobody has handed power to Mahama. And no channel Pamufri Jubilee House where Jimmy. Let's read the nonsense from Bawumia. This is Mahmoud Bawumia statement. Bawumia Jimmy kra or Jimmy kra. This is Bawumia statement. Muntie. His Excellency John Mahama, please call your supporters to order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. I have noted with deep concern the embarrassing state of lawlessness and thuggery being unleashed on innocent Ghanaians and state institutions by members of the National Democratic Congress. Where is your evidence? You are a foolish man. Now, I wish to call on the President-elect, His Excellency John Mahama, to exhibit statesmanship. To exhibit statesmanship. Where is the statement even? To exhibit statesmanship by reigning in his supporters in order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. There have been many incidents of NDC members besieging coalition centers with offensive weapons to forcibly declare NDC parliamentary candidates as winners of some parliamentary contests. We believe that this is not in keeping with the democratic culture we are all trying to nurture. Jimmy, now this is the second statement from Bawumia, and the statement, this is the second part of it. Jimmy, I am so saddened by the indifference and silence on the part of Mr. John Mahama and the NDC in relation to the violence and mayhem being unleashed on members of the NPP and other people perceived to be sympathizers. These wanton acts of lawlessness and brutality have been extended to state institutions and public offices, looting and stealing state properties in the process. As a result of this, some public offices were forced to close for business. In a bizarre twist, these barbaric acts are being extended by private homes, are being extended to private homes and properties of individuals, with some receiving death threats. Jimmy because I say it is regrettable that these reprehensible acts are being perpetrated following an electoral process that has been widely touted as credible. We must at all times place the national interest over and above any individual interest. I would like to remind President Mahama that he has won an election. He has not staged a coup d'etat. He has a responsibility to contribute to protect lives and property. Now, I'll say, I believe President Mahama and NDC know that if these acts continue, people will be compelled to take reasonable steps to defend themselves. The last thing anybody wants is to mar the beauty of the successful election that has just been concluded. Mr. Mahama and the NDC should demonstrate that they are not reluctant Democrats. Thank you. Mahmoud Bawumia sama wacho nyumbre say, I or catch John Mahama say, on country NDC for na NDC for enjoy etutrasem. Na ono ne de onim say etutrasem a ekoso Ghana ha no eye NDC for kwasia. Where is your evidence? You are still the head of the police council. You are the head of Ghana police. You are a foolish man. And these are the filthy, dirty people. Also, the actually say, oh, Bawumia there. He said, well, Jimmy, one no whiskey, no church on Kwasasem. Today, Ghana, who is in charge of Ghana? You are a foolish man. Why not? And nam Ghana, how wakwachi NDC ni say, machi NDC that could cause a problem. You are a foolish man. Wait, Jimmy. And you people are not supposed to be considered. Oh, NDC for her. Someone NPP for way opportunity to work freely in this country. I swear to God. Read and you people, Mundi 1 year in power. And this is John Mahama. I swear to God. Mama Bawumia kwasi ampenyi weni MPP akromfo wo wiamono. Mama mu room in Ghana to fool like this. You people within a year, John Mahama, you are out of power. We are telling you people. These people are not even supposed to be talking in Ghana. And just a day, and they declare election, so they are blaming you for their stupid thing. And today, this foolish, dirty old soul who has lost an election miserably in the history of Ghana, Kwasiabian lose the election, say that over 6 million votes. Nipana stretching over 2 million. Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Bawumia Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Kwasiato kachira oyerena wababa ni nemu nam gempane say uncle consistently security. Ghana ni etino when you head of police council today, you are a foolish man. Oya kwasia. Is Mahama the commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces? Now Ghana police no more. What is the job of the Ghana police service? You are a very stupid man. And we are not going to entertain you people again. Whatever we will do to come after you people, we will do it. Because at this point, you cannot reason beyond your stupid politics. Now, some kwasiade when I just say MP before, some be flag bearer nana. Some Jimmy some way, and a masaba be sa animal. You wini John Mahama bought 2 million votes in the history of Ghana. You won't Jimmy will lose to say that in the history of Ghana. One Jimmy will lose pa. The whole Ghana since 1992 year to about Jimmy will lose with the wider margin. And you are the head of the police council. Go to the police headquarters and make a decision. You are a foolish man. Because what can we do them some kuko? And I will catch MP before some kubo too. What can we do them some kuko and kuko? We make good them some kuko. Foolish guy. Jimmy, yene Jimmy Tino Abedru Hane. O waka o mana gudamu sa nkokɔ. E mana wo de attention mu nsɛm amuntu nti sɛ duane di. Waka wo gudamu sa nkokɔ. Ɛna ye bo bi ba to watepa. Jimmy, wa be gina TV so sɛ, wa be gina Facebook sɛ John Mahama na take decision. Kwasia, you are still president till 7 December, January. Kwasia, 33 policies no de breme. Ujina stage na wo sase ekono. Sa 33 policies no kwasia me na me yeye. Why don't you take the same opportunity to take decision? Sankwasiafo mu MPP fo mu ja o mu ahun de NDC fo mu ja nkwasiafo ya ade be mu kurum ha no
Ebusia na chese eno no Kevin Taylor brapinyi enibo afuyi a wabe eni wani chia enye blue black red and wode amane eye Dr Mahama Bawumia enya asem ketwa me de mani edi ensem nechi any update be befu abebia me de beba besumu me ka mo se mo amukusu amuye basabasa ewo Ghana hano Yeni baby ako sento kwane escalate na be ye asem kese a some of us go suffer yesre about when akotwem etwem ye declare winner mestre say ye masomdue emprivile e wo Ghana fise Ghana ɛyɛ asomdwie man me din ɛde na ne Makram.